US dollar against Euro against US dollar this week has risen in value, and we can see the week started here with this bullish candle reaching the area of resistance 1.17589, and the price was trying to make a bullish breakout several times, and we can see on a Wednesday the price formed some kind of a bearish pin bar, but not right here at the resistance level where the body should be, but it was in the middle, but it was also enough bearish strength to push the price back down very close to this area of support 1.16735. Here the price reversed back up again on Friday yesterday and again reached this area of resistance 1.17589, but could not make a bullish breakout. What is significant is that the price has closed the day above this small area of resistance 1.17313. We can see that here. The price could not make that possible during the whole week, but only on a Friday. The weekly time frame currently shows us it is a bullish candle, a small one with a body trying to make a bullish breakout with a larger wick on the upper side, which means the bullish strength was stronger than the bearish this week, and this is also suggesting that the price could again attack this area of resistance. Monthly time frame shows us that the previous month has closed as a bullish candle. You can see that with a large wick on the upper side because of the price touching this area of confluence of resistance, and it is also monthly resistance, and also it is a trend line which is acting as a resistance. So the price is obviously back down, but currently we can see the price is starting to rise again. This is just monthly time frame, so we can only base what has happened in the previous 2 months. As it looks right now, the bullish strength is still active on the market, pushing the price up or higher. Weekly time frame currently shows me the price is at the resistance level, which needs to be broken, so we need to wait until the price makes this bullish breakout. Will the price return back down, making a bearish momentum? Currently, what I can see on the weekly time frame doesn't show that, even though there is a strong bearish pin bar right here at the resistance level, so we need to pay attention what happens around this area of resistance and also this area of support right here. Daily time frame will show us much more clear information what we can expect, but currently what you can see, the price is stuck in between this area of resistance 1.17589 and this area of support 1.16735. So for now we need to wait a clear breakout. Will be a bearish breakout going further down, or it will bullish breakout going further up? It's something that we need to wait and watch closely. On the 4-hour time frame we can see the price is also bouncing between this area of support and resistance, so it is unclear for the price where the price could go. So it is the best to wait until the price makes a clear movement. Yesterday I have informed the traders about this bullish breakout targeting around this area here, and we can see the price has touched this area of resistance and also reached the target. So if you would like to receive these updates during the week, feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders inside the premium group, which is free. You can also check the details how to join for free inside the link below. For now, that's all. We are waiting. I'm waiting until the price makes a clear move, making a bullish breakout or bearish breakout outside of this range area. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.